Disclaimer! This video was professionally arranged and edited by BearCon. All creative edits and final sequencing were handled by the editor. The character's outfit and visual styling were not arranged by BearCon. This specific look was selected and designed by my editor.
Welcome everyone to the BearCon at the Olympic Games. Today's exciting event, Trampoline. 5 amazing bear athletes are ready to jump, flip, and soar. Let's meet our trampoline competitors. The athletes will perform one by one. Judges will score their routines. First performer, Boris Kutnevich of Masha&theBear. Ice Bear ready. Jupiter Jovian shows incredible aerial control. Special Agent Jump! Congratulations to our champions! Thank you for watching the BearCon at the Olympics Games Trampoline event.